You can power on HeadPLUS by attaching a battery or inserting the DC cable or pressing the power button. The ports on HeadPLUS are as follows. Laser module port. Attach the laser module here to speed up your point teaching process. Vision module port. Connect the vision module to monitor your camera from your mobile device and perform face tracking. Link port. This port enables wired connections to the controller and other devices via the wired signal hub. Trigger port. Use this port for the trigger cable, which prompts your camera to take photos during time lapses. DC in port. Provides power input from the battery bracket, AC-DC adapter, or the power module, which powers all devices from a single battery. Focus zoom module port. Connect the focus zoom module V3 to control the focus or zoom settings of manual lenses. To attach HeadPLUS to other equipment, place it on the screw, disengage the lock, and double press the power button. The base of HeadPLUS will automatically rotate and screw itself onto the bolt. At the end of the process, engage the lock and hand tighten the entire system a bit more. Then disengage the lock. This completes the attachment of HeadPLUS. To remove HeadPLUS, first engage the lock and loosen it by hand. Then disengage the lock and press the button 3 times. The base of HeadPLUS will automatically rotate and unscrew itself from the bolt. You can stop these operations by pressing the button once. Ensure that the channel on the bracket aligns with the lip on HeadPLUS. Then, place the bracket and screw it in place. You can place your camera onto the screw on the bracket and secure it by tightening the screw from the bottom. If the balance adjustment is incorrect, your camera may tilt backward or forward when you release it. In this case, loosen the screw and adjust the camera's front to back balance, then tighten it again. If your camera cannot stay vertically, you'll need to loosen the connection on HeadPLUS, adjust it to find the balance, and then tighten it again. If you cannot achieve front-to-back balance due to the large lens diameter, you can use the riser piece. First, attach the riser piece to your camera and then secure the camera with the riser onto the bracket. By loosening the 2 screws on the L bracket, you can rotate your camera to a vertical video position. Then tighten the screws again to secure the position. As long as HeadPLUS is powered on, you can instantly see it in the Edelkrone app and connect to it by selecting it. If you want to mount HeadPLUS upside down on the jib, you can adjust the camera orientation by panning all the way back and then tilting the camera all the way back as well. If the folding joint of HeadPLUS is loose, you can fix it by tightening the screw at the center of the joint. For more detailed information on using HeadPLUS, please check the user manual videos section on our website or contact us from support@edelkrone.com.